Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Drive link for your photos using your mobile phone in 2025 step by step. This is perfect for sharing images with friends, family, or colleagues easily. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Drive apps. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Log in with your Google account and tap the icon at the bottom right corner of the apps. Select upload, then choose the photos you want to share from your gallery. You can see this. Then wait for the upload to complete. You will see a check mark once it's done. Then after uploading, locate the photos in your Google Drive, tap the three dots, more options, and next to the file to select share or manage account. Here you can see this share. In the sharing setting, tap link setting or anyone with the link. Choose the permission you want viewer people can only view, and commenter people can comment, editor people can edit. Then once select tap copy link. Here you can see this the copy link. Now paste the copy link into a WhatsApp chat, email, or any platform you want to share it on. Anyone with the link will have access based on the permission you set. And that's it. You have successfully created a Google Drive link for your photos using mobile in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.